Hi guys, I'm back. So, I draw something. Not a puppy playtime. King, sabihin mo nga anong dinrawing ko?
Eyes.
Eyes, but hindi
Artistic.
realistic daw. So, ipapakita ka na, ipapakita na kita.
Your eyes.
Eto. So, this is the eye that I draw. So, first, let's look at King's drawing. Before this, we can view. So, so this is King's drawing. So, this is me, this is King, and this is me. So, what is this, King?
Is DB man.
And who's this?
It's Big.
Big, and who's this?
Beer.
What's this?
B. Corbin.
What's this?
Raa.
Lalaki yan. Sino ba pa ba?
Lalaki.
Si Bokbok siguro to. At eto,
Hindi si JM. Ito.
JM, okay. At sino to?
Joy.
Ano ba dinrawing mo?
Skibidi toilet.
O, ano to?
Skibidi toilet.
At eto,
Skibidi toilet lang.
lahat Nasaan yung final boss?
It's right over here. Two of them.
Dito? Ito?
Yes, it's two of them.
So, let's check King's drawing. So, this is King's drawing. Please give it 5 likes, please. Bye-bye.
I want
not-
100 like.
Oh, wait. What about mine? So, here's mine. So, this is mine eye. So, I gotta go really fast. So, bye-bye.